You may notice that these symbols at the top, this one here and this one, have a small marker in the center. That's been placed on a plant construction layer, so I could turn that little marker off simply by turning off that layer, but let me turn it back on. I want to show the advantage of making a marker in the middle of a symbol such as that using the point command. If I pick this one here, I can rotate that symbol as I'm doing there, and the marker doesn't get rotated because it's a point. If you put a little cross formed by a couple of lines in your symbol, when you rotate, the cross itself will rotate. Let me illustrate how that's done. This symbol doesn't have a marker in it. We'll edit the block. We'll actually draw a line and put it over to one side here, there, and we'll draw another line like so. That's one type of marker that we could have put in there. But I'm going to draw a point and pop it at the center of that. I'll go into format and just show you that, under point styles I've set the size as 1.25% of window height and as a plus sign through the point, not as X or vertical tick mark or whatever. So I'll OK that now. Let's put those two, oops, we can pick that line and the point. Let's put them onto that construction layer. Let's return and close the block editor. Now we should be able to, we can see our point marker and our rather awkward looking point. If I pick this symbol and then rotate it, can you see that point marker, crudely drawn, rotates, whereas the point doesn't? So do use point as an entity in the middle of a symbol that you create yourself. This is a symbol designed for an oak leaf hydrangea, in fact. We have been asked to comment on why go through this business of putting points in the symbol. Well, the reason being that you can provide guidance for your construction team by going to layers, turn off the symbol layer and turn on the construction layer, and there you have a series of circles. Assign each one of these, of course, to a plant name and label it with some text in the middle, and that can happen automatically in GCAD+. So there is some value in putting this circle there. So there is some value in putting that point marker there and being able to rotate. Let's just refresh and turn the symbol layer back on, and I can pick this symbol and just rotate it, and the little marker stays exactly where it should as a little cross to indicate a new position of planting.